How to get rainbow in Block Blast. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get rainbow in Block Blast. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your app store. So locate your app store and simply search for Block Blast. What we'll do here is we'll just update Block Blast to its latest version. So if you see an update option, instead of open, tap on update and update the app. After you've updated your app, you can then open up Block Blast. So as you can see, I'm currently playing Block Blast, and here the trick is to get a rainbow, you'll just need to keep hitting combos like that. So as you might have been noticing, the more combos I hit, the color combination changes and I start getting rainbows. So here you'll notice when I again start getting combos, that's the second one. Now if I get a third one, again and again, if I keep on getting combos, it slowly changes into rainbow. As you just saw, that was a rainbow right there. And yeah, some say that you get rainbow after you hit 10,000, so you can try that out as well. So why not? So yeah, keep on hitting combos and you should be getting rainbows. And that's basically it. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.